In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business account, step by step. A Facebook business account lets you manage your Facebook page, Instagram account, ads, and other business tools through Meta Business Suite. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Sign in with your personal Facebook account. If you don't already have a business account, click Create a Business Portfolio or Create Business. Enter your business name, your name, and your business email address, then click Create. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your email address and complete the setup. Once your business account is created, open Business Settings to add or create your Facebook page. Connect your Instagram account, create or add an ad account, and add a payment method if needed. You can also invite team members and assign permissions so they can help manage your business. After completing the setup, you'll be able to create posts, run ads, reply to messages, and track your business performance from the Meta Business Suite dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.